Members of the KHASI Students' Union Ranikor Circle, under the leadership of their president MARCONI THONGNI, had recently met the additional DC of Southwest KHASI Hills on the illegal dumping of building materials at the Kynshi River by the company responsible for the two-lane construction along the KHATPHRA-RANIKOR-NONGJRI-MEHESKHOLA highway. In conversation with the media, MARCONI THONGNI expressed his disappointment at the irresponsible action of the road construction company for dumping waste materials into the Kynshi River, thereby hampering its flow. THONGNI therefore urged upon the district administration to examine the matter and immediately prohibit any sort of littering or dumping into the Kynshi River. This, he added, would help in preserving the environment and also retaining the course of the river that had actually narrowed due to the unwanted waste materials in its bed.
Nileng jongka kisi orang korskal ni wane kundu meni yu edisi ma onde incap menta ketu kanisngi ni jala kajing bundon nyaliang edisi te naliang jungi hilawan penkermau baru jor alor tu kajing berat kendo bat kajing berat mau tu po wa Kynshi na kaliang jongka company dahar company patri kasurok tulen apor Ranikor-NONGJRI naliang jungi nida tentu ba kide bansange no si sendan alor kajing berat kendo berat mau tu po wa nomor ba ka penjat ya tu gi klau dan tu po bat ya kawaru kanam slami bahkan sadam gitu kawaru lada kitre baro arliang lada kidang beteng ban berat tu aliang jungi kaseng nilo ongru ya ka ban kin inspection aliang ka port district alor kajing berat kendo te po wa Kynshi bat kideru ban penstem lada lap ba kibrat kendo te bat naliang ki obsar hi ngatrai babun hi kum SDO sibil ro ulai dal jong kmat bun ki pajba hi miswa ki la jujor chingi kaseng bat ni chukran na kalian ni kaseng ro banom brat chu andrei long kini ki dahar company long kim jus ngap ki baterai ketika pan baterai ketika srok leng jungi kaseng hi miso ba maham tenge ba kidei ban sange sendan kimdei ban brat nang ni sakmat ba ban brat angtu powa Kynshi te naliang jungi kaseng adin ba ne kandu edisi wong ban salum ya ka meeting un sakot ya ka NDHL elor ban penbet ya kate ya surok bat ya keti company ba pentre kete surok